आयज आम्ही दिल्लीन हा आणि जंतर मंतर जे आमचे रेसलर्स जे इंडिया ऑलिम्पिक्सान गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट जे ट्रॉफीज हाडल्या आमकां आणि मेडल्स हाडल्या आयज ती आता रस्त्यार हा 31 days जाली ती प्रोटेस्ट करता की they have been harassed, they have been molested by an MP who is their head, the chairperson, and this is not right that is happening. कित्याक जे आमचे रेसलर्स हा आमची चेडवां हा the women of the country who are representing national games and international games, if they are being targeted and if they are being harassed, this is totally not right. And I think so their fight for justice for the last 31 days has been really strong, and we've come all the way from Goa to support them because their news is everywhere. But it is sad to see that even the Prime Minister has still not reached here to listen to them. He is going all over the world, traveling everywhere, meeting all the Prime Ministers, and he is not yet come to listen to them. And this is so very bad. Being a woman and being from Goa, I think so, I'm scared because if we as women are not taken care of, Beti Bachao, big slogans are being said. But right now, if the women of the country and women who are bringing laurels for the country are not taken care of, this is totally wrong. And I think so, Prime Minister, instead of you roaming and hugging everyone, please come and listen to the people over here. You have clicked photographs with them. I have seen pictures around. You have clicked photographs with them when they have got their gold medals and they have got their silver medals. But today when they need your help, you are just not here supporting them and not even come once to listen to them. Being in Delhi, and kudos to all of them because it's not easy for them to remain 31 days here and fight for their right. They are not worried about what's going to happen in the future, but they are fighting for the women who are right now in the federation, who are participating, and the future generations who are going to come. If we are going to have leaders who are going to be molesting and harassing our women of the country when they are representing the country somewhere else, this is not right. And I think so his arrest, what they are asking for, has to be done at the earliest, and that's the demand that we are asking for. And we are there with you. We are there with you. I think so all over I can see people are coming to visit you because what you all have done for the country, and now you all have been made to sleep over here, in such a way. So please, people of the country, people of Goa, I request you all to please share their videos. Ask our government in Goa, the BJP government in Goa, which is ruling right now, what are you doing for women's safety? What are you doing right now to represent them? It is said that Smriti Irani has come to Goa. She has come now, right now Smriti Irani has come to Goa for some opening and cutting of a ribbon. But she has not come here to listen to the women. Smriti Irani, where are you? You're in Goa right now enjoying yourself and cutting ribbons and inaugurating things. But here the wrestlers, the women need you. You are representing the women. And yet you are not here and you're traveling everywhere. Shame on the BJP government for doing something like this. Shame on you all for not standing by women in time of their need. Today the women are not there. They are gone for their practices. They are rehearsing in spite of being in this heat at this particular time. Kudos to them and respect to you all. And we from Goa will share your videos and we'll do whatever we can from our side. And we'll hope that you all get justice.